Let's learn how to speed up the hotspot on an iPhone. If you want to speed up your hotspot internet but don't know how to do it, you don't have to struggle with it anymore. Because after watching this video, you will know how to do it. The first thing you need to do is close all the apps that are running. You can do this by opening the app switcher and closing all those apps there. The next thing you need to do is open the Settings app. When you have opened Settings, you will be on a page with many options. On this page, you need to click on the General option. When you click that, a page will open with several options. From all those options, you need to click on the Background App Refresh option. When you click that, a page will open with a list of your apps. Now you need to disable Background App Refresh for all the apps you are not currently using. This might increase the speed of your hotspot internet. The next thing you need to do is go back to the General page. When you are on that page, you need to scroll all the way down to the bottom. When you do that, you need to click on the Transfer or Reset iPhone option. When you click that, a page will open where you need to click on the Reset option. When you do that, a menu will open with several options. You need to click on the Reset Network Settings option. Also, if you have a case on your phone, try removing it while your hotspot is on. These were some solutions that can speed up your hotspot. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.